If your accounts payable process feels like invoice comes in and then chaos, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you a clean flow that stops duplicates, late fees, and mystery AP balances. I'm a CPA who reviews client books every month, and AP is where the gremlins hide. What you'll learn: the 6-step AP flow that actually works, where duplicates happen, how approvals should look, what reviewers check before sign-off, step-by-step AP process. Capture the bill, email, portal, scan, whatever, just one inbox. Validate vendor plus terms. If terms are missing, due dates drift. Match to purchase order receipt when you have one. If not, match to evidence of service. Code it correctly. Expense versus inventory versus fixed asset. One owner, one backup. No, everyone approves. Pay in batches. Record payment method plus remittance. One time, a client paid a $8,400 vendor bill twice. Same invoice number, 2 different PDFs. Another, a contractor bill got coded to repairs, but it was a $18,000 equipment purchase. AP cleared, fixed assets wrong for months. Red flags: negative AP aging, tons of old credits, duplicate invoice numbers, bills dated after period end, AP that doesn't tie to vendor statements. What to check: top 10 vendors by balance, unmatched receipts, due date logic, coding consistency, subsequent payments after close. Supporting docs: invoice image, approval evidence, purchase order receipt or email confirmation, vendor statement tie-out, payment remittance. Quick checklist recap: 1 intake channel, unique invoice rule, vendor plus terms required, purchase order receipt match when applicable, clear coding rules, cutoff procedure at month end, batch payment schedule, vendor statement tie-out monthly, track credits separately, lock edits after approval, reconcile AP to subledger aging. Drop a comment with your one AP pain, duplicates, approvals, or coding. Like plus subscribe if you want more reviewer style walkthroughs. If you want more structure around review findings and evidence, tools like Xenett support a review first close.